In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art with Blender's Landscape add-on. Let's type N to bring up the Properties window, and go to the Create tab to access the Landscape add-on. The spike terrain can be created by using the add-on's additional features. We must use Mesh Displace to begin. This is called another noise tool, and we need to click the two buttons at the top to see the live update. We don't click the top buttons, we have to manually refresh in order to see the chances. Please feel free to experiment with the settings to get the best result. As we can see, the add-on can create sophisticated shapes easily. The idea is to change the setting values in order to get the spiky terrain that we need. By the way, this mesh is going to be used for the Photoshop composition tutorial that is going to be uploaded tomorrow. This mesh's render image is going to be used as a terrain image for hell. The spiky terrain is forming. This looks good enough. I'll rotate this mesh over. Let's create a ground plane. G and Z to move on the Z axis. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.